page, so it redirects back to the main page, we might want to display a success message letting the user know the record has been successfully deleted. To do this, we need to pass a variable back to the main page in our URL after the redirection. Call this variable message and set the value to delete. So this is on the del user.php page. In the header function, add the following to your URL. So we're going to go back to the delete.php page after the record has been deleted, and we're also sending a variable with the value equal to delete. Now in your delete.php page, we'll need to create an if statement. And it should look like this. You can put it directly above your SQL query. Inside this if statement, we need to check if the variable message is not null. We can do this using the iSet function and the get method. So here we're checking to see if there's a value attached to the variable message. And the only way there would be a value attached to it is if it was sent back in our redirect. So if the variable message is not null, the next thing we need to do is actually find out the value of the variable message. So create another if statement to check the value to see if it is equal to delete. So remember, we're sending the value back as a delete. If the value is delete, we're going to echo a success message. So record deleted. And that's it. Now we can go ahead and test our script. I'll go ahead and delete record with the ID 37. And we can see that the record was deleted and a success message is also visible. And you can see in the URL that the variable message passed along a value delete inside the URL.